Here's a quick tutorial for uploading AutoCAD drawings and PDFs into Aware. I had some changes I needed to make on this CAD file right here, so I made those changes. I still need to PDF it, so just go to File, Publish, and then make sure my path is in my Publish Options path. Okay, Publish. So now we should have a timestamp 8:15. That's right. So, okay, over to Aware. So when you first log into Aware, this is what you'll see. We need to make sure that you're on the Info tab. So you'll click Info. This is the main parent. Everything else are children underneath. All the clients that we have in Crossbridge Aware. So we have a couple of other versions. We've got the Caprock database for Kinetic, and then there's Martin. There's a few that we use, but the main one is the Crossbridge database. So this project is NNG Cunningham, and the circuit number is right here, CB1262. So we'll come down here, we'll expand Northern Natural Gas, Cunningham. We'll go to Unit. We'll open the dead leg piping as well because I have one to upload with this circuit. So then we scroll through all the dead legs. We've got piping. So now we just look for the circuit number, NNGC CB10262. Right there. So this is what it looks like when you're on the View tab inside the Info tab. So when you go to Update, is where you'll actually be able to modify this information. So right now in View, it's read only, and it's meant for the client to, come in here and spot check things and have the data they need available. But this is where the CAD is going to go. But in the View pane, I guess you would call it, you can preview these files to see what version you have in there. Oops, sorry. So as you can see, this one's a little bit different than the current revision. Specifically these CMLs here. So in order to get these out and change them, you go to the Update tab. Now this is where you can do some damage. If you're not careful and you don't know what you're doing, you could go in here and change things, which is not good. So you'll need to go down to the Design Documents and then click on the Total Rows. It's the link to the table where you input the drawings. So the ones that are already in here we know are no good. We have the CAD and the CAD model, which is the PDF, of course. So we can select them here and delete with this button here, or you can select them all with the checkbox and delete. So once you delete them, now we need to bring more files over, the new updated ones. Got my folder over here hiding. So the one we just revised was this one and this one, CAD model. So I clicked on the CAD one time, I held Control and click on the CAD model one time, and it selects both of them. And then I click and hold and drag them into this upper portion of the window here. This is the upload area. So once they're in here, you can see this right here, the status. Go over here to Start Upload. Once you click that, depending on how fast your internet is, it could take a while, or it can go really fast. The larger the file, of course, the longer it's going to take. Now, what you'll notice here is this is blank under Document Type, because this gives you the option to pick what document it is that you are uploading. There's presets in here, or you can go to Edit List. I don't recommend doing this. Nobody does, because everything we need is in here. And what we just uploaded was the inspection drawing. This is the CAD format. And the CAD model, always does this right here in the document section. It won't finish the name. It does it over here, but it won't do it here for some reason. But so we've got an inspection drawing and an inspection drawing PDF, right? So they can differentiate. So once you're done with that, click Save down here in the bottom right, and it kind of changes, like refreshes, and then it grays the button out. That's how you know that you have saved your changes. So when you're done here, we go to Close, and we're still in the update mode. We can go back now to View. Don't ever mess with this stuff down here unless your Save button is green. You can hit the Save button, but do not hit the Reset button. So we'll go back to View. And the only reason it wasn't green and able to save is because we weren't really working in that tab. We were working in the table, or the pop-up window where we drug those drawings into. So it didn't really recognize any changes to the main portion of the sheet, so we didn't have to save it here. We just saved it in that other window. But you can see these drawings are back in now, and if you remember before, the other ones just had pink, didn't have these RT indicators on them, but now it does. So it's pretty easy, nothing to it. If you have any questions, just holler at me and I'll see if I can't walk you through it or make another video showing you how to do it.